do cool things too. I just wanted to give you an update on my Mordok cosplay. So I have fixed the wig, I've given myself sideburns, and I have thingy-mabobbers. I don't know what these are actually called. So if you know what they're called, comment down below. Yeah. I heard the word, I don't remember. I heard the word in a Mordok tutorial because I wanted to watch some tutorials to know how to style his hair, and I think I did a okay job. I'm not gonna say I did a good job because I'm not really sure. I feel okay about it. I like the way my sideburns turned out. Yeah. The rest of the update is I am getting my contacts, my inverted cross, and the face, or like, green makeup so that I can put it on my face, my neck, and my ears, and my hands, because the shirt. And I'm getting the shirt as well. So I will be able to show you the final cosplay when I'm done. I'm gonna be uploading another video that is a full video of my Kyle cosplay, my full Kyle cosplay, not just what you saw of me transforming. Anyways, I just wanted to update you guys on my Mordok cosplay, so that's about it. I love you guys, and I will talk to you in the next video. Bye!